Yeah, I don't know what. Oops, come on. Trying to go through all these weeds and stuff. Don't know what this was. Not much left of it. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I'm getting it, but it says JP. And something M. And looks like some other writing there. Oh, and over here. I'm gonna get my shadow out of the way. Maybe I should go this way. I can't see if I'm getting it, but there's more writing there. And then there's a child's handprint. Right. I think I'm getting it. Oh, how cool. All right. Okay. Might as well keep it on. Got another structure over here that's actually got walls. Well, some walls left on it. Must have been made very well. Oh, there's another, looks like another cistern over there where people could go and get water. Right there. We're not going to hike up in there. It's the same thing as those other ones that we've seen so far. I'm sorry I'm not talking loud enough again. It's so hard to speak loud, especially when you're out here all alone. It's a really weird feeling, but I want to try to get better about speaking up for all, so all my subscribers can enjoy the video.